Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Smartsheet Work Management easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.smartsheet.com and press enter. Once the Smartsheet homepage loads, look for the login button in the upper right corner. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. In the login fields, enter your email address associated with your Smartsheet account. After entering your email, move to the next field. Type in your password. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. After filling in your credentials, double-check for any errors. When you're ready, click the Sign In button below the password field. Wait a moment as your login information is processed. If your email and password are correct, you will be redirected to your Smartsheet dashboard. In case of an error, ensure your email and password are entered correctly. If you remain unable to log in, consider checking your internet connection. Once logged in, explore your workspace and available sheets. You're now ready to manage your projects efficiently with Smartsheet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.